Elevate your drone game with ViDiUAV 3008 motors. Unmatched performance at 1150KV 1300KV, 1500KV, and 1900KV. Ready to take your drone flights to the next level? The ViDiUAV 3008 drone camera motor is here to transform your aerial adventures. With options of 1150KV, 1300KV, 1500KV, and 1900KV, you'll find the perfect motor to suit your flying style. Ultimate compatibility. Tired of struggling with motor swap? The ViDiUAV 3008 is designed to fit a wide range of quadcopters, ensuring easy replacements or upgrades. Enjoy hassle-free with a motor you can trust. Powerhouse performance. Don't let its compact eyes fool you. With dimensions of 35 points, max 38.3, and weight of only 70.4 g. This motor delivers astonishing power 1125W for 1150kV and 1605W for 1500kV, made from high-temperature resistant copper, and featuring a durable AL 7075 bell cap. It's built for both performance and longevity, engineered for excellence. The ViDiUAV 3008 features a 12 and 14P configuration and a non-inductive steel shaft, offering exceptional torque and efficiency. With internal resistance as low as 77 M for 1150kV and 63 M for 1500kV, expect a smooth and responsive flight experience every time. Upgrading your drone has never been easier. Don't miss your chance to enhance your aerial adventures. Drone motors, electric motors, high-performance drone parts, lightweight motors, drone upgrades, quadcopter motors, reliable drone accessories, efficient drone power, ViDiUAV motors, durable drone component. Join the community of satisfied pilots who rely on ViDiUAV for their drone component. With a 12-month warranty, you can fly with confidence.